Welcome to the How To Studio. In this way, I'm going to show you a fast and easy way how you can capitalize the first letter of each word in Spreadsheet. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a new column. So you're going to click insert a column to the right because this is where we're going to have our proper case capitalization, meaning that the first letter of each word would be capitalized. To do this, we're going to use a formula. So on your keyboard, press equal, then proper, and then open bracket, and then click on the cell and press enter. And as you can see, the first letter of each word is capitalized compared to this one, and it has an autofill suggestion. So you can press this tick here or control enter on your keyboard to autofill everything. So as you can see, it's autofilled everything, and now everything is capitalized for the first letter of each word. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.